who are we and what do we do?
So Klint is a digital marketing agency based in Copenhagen, and we are helping different clients scale up their businesses and grow fast.
Generating leads, traffic, and in general room or users for our clients in the fastest ways possible with the less expenditure of time and money.
We are a young and energetic team of marketeers and growth hackers. We put together all of our different skill sets in order to offer a fully rounded marketing services to our clients. We cover all the different areas of marketing, starting from SEO to social media to video editing to website building and so on. Help clients to build their product or service from the bottom up digitally, and then we help them be found organically.
What do you like the most about working at Klint? The team, because we're very international and it's really nice to work with such nice people.
We have clients from many different backgrounds, and I think Klint gives us great opportunity to sort of deep dive in so many different industries that I would otherwise never be a part of or never consider, and I find that exciting.
Since I started, I have to say the thing that I like the most is the variety of tasks, and it might be tough sometimes, but if you're up for it, there's tons of things to learn.
And also meeting so many new people and exchanging experiences and becoming friends with all of them.
What was your highlight while working at Klint until now? The office location is super great. It's next to the canal on Islandsbrug, so in the summer we would go down to the canal for lunch and typically go in the water. It was great to have like a break in the middle of the day to go swimming.
Obviously this video, which has changed my life.
Very successful campaigns that are run in the past, or being able to track user behaviors from nothing on websites. It takes a lot of work and a steep learning curve, but once you've done it, it's a major achievement, and it's just happy to reach those achievements.
The highlight while working at Klint, definitely how far I've gotten since I started working here. I think it's been such an amazing experience, and I think I grew up so much as a marketer.